Approximately 1 hour driving from Rivne, and you can reach well-known Ostroh Castle. The area of castle is not so big, but you can find something interesting for foreign tourists. At the entrance there is such nice gate. Inside the area there is one cathedral and 2 towers. One tower is in the disaster, only walls remains for now. Maybe a local authority will reconstruct it, but I'm not sure. And this cathedral was rebuilt several years ago. It was opened, but to regret during my visit it was closed. Yeah. So only one tower is accessible for tourists, this tower, and there is museum inside. So initially you go to the basement floor, and then step by step you go to the upper floor of the tower and then go down. To regret, all the inscriptions are in Ukrainian language only. I didn't find any English ones. So if you are going to visit this place, you need to get Ukrainian speaking guide. Also, I'm not sure whether in museum there is such a person, but you need to ask to send them email. So some short history information. Initially here was a wooden castle, small castle, during Kiev Rus time, but it was destroyed, burnt down by Mongol Tatars in 1241. And lately Ostrog, Ostrogsky Duke, he well-known duke during the history in 17th century. He built up such castle. As you see, there is model how this castle looked like 300 years ago. At this basement floor there are several rooms. It's like standard exposition for historical museum. I think this room was a storage for weapons. There are a lot of intermediate floors, small floors like this one. Next picture you see how this castle looked like 300 years ago. Yeah. Then this cathedral was destroyed and rebuilt only in our days. Here is the ground floor, but ground floor, to the hill floor. As this is a big hill, from another side there is a very big height, maybe 50 or 60 meters. And this picture, cathedral already destroyed. Here is a balcony with small observation deck, so you can understand about the height of this hill. And below there is an Ostrog city. And here is a former owner, Ostrog Duke, the former owner of this castle. Also there is some gallery, different paints, old one, modern one, like here is War in 2022. the paintings not so many, but they're rather interesting. So Ostroh Castle.